Hello Year 1, welcome to your maths lesson for Monday the 11th of January 2021. Today we are looking at making numbers using pictorial representations. So let's have a look. A pictorial representation is when we use pictures or symbols to represent the number. So let's have a look at an example of that. So here we've got the numeral number 10. We've got the written word number 10, which is what we were looking at last week. And then here we have got 10 blue dots. And that is another way of us recognizing or representing the number 10. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at today, is ways of representing the number 10 using pictures. So there's lots of different ways to represent different numbers. There's tens frames, which we use at school quite a lot, and that is a good way of us representing a number. So here we're filling up our tens frame, and when it has stopped, we can count the dots, and that will tell us what number this is representing. So let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in our tens frame, which means this is number 6. So another way we can represent numbers is using pictures. So here we have got flowers. If we count the flowers, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is another way of us representing number 6. Another resource that we use at school quite a lot is Numicon. And in Numicon, you need to count the holes to find out which number it is representing. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is another way of us representing number 6. So having a look at the table on the screen, we are having a look now. We've got the numeral number 5, and then it's asking us for the word number 5. So I'll do my very best to write the word 5. Now you can use that word map that you had last week for the written words for the numbers. And then if we were looking at the pictorial representation of 5, here is 5 green cars. Okay, so then we're looking at the next part of the table. It's asking us, this time we've got the written word and the pictorial that's helping us. So we can see here, if we counted the dots, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first one was 10. Let's count the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So 10 and 7 more is 17. That's what this says here, 17. And we know the numeral number 7 for 17 is 1 and a 7. Okay. Looking at the bottom one, we've got some red cups. Let's count those red cups. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So we know our numeral number 10 is a 1 and a 0. And we can sound out the word 10. 10. Fantastic. So that is our way of using those words that we learned last week, the written words for those numbers, the numerals that we already know, and finding another way of representing. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Is I would like you to go and find the sheet that on the class page for your home learning. Make sure you pick the one with the right group on it for you. And we're going to complete the table by writing the numeral, the word, and drawing a pictorial example of that number. So here we've got 9 dragons, we've got the number 9, and we've got the written word. Okay, and some of them will give you the written word, some of them you might have the numeral, and some of them you might have the pictorial representation. I would like you to then fill out the empty boxes next to it. So this one says 3, so you need to write the numeral number 3, and you need to draw 3 things. It could be 3 squares, it could be 3 triangles, it could be 3 cars. Okay, so it's up to you how you're going to represent it. It could be the face of a dice that shows number 3. Okay, or it could be 3 fingers. You could draw 3 fingers, holding up 3 fingers. So there's lots of different ways, and I want you to have a go at thinking of some different ways of representing those numbers. I hope you get on okay with that maths today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.